Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. This is convection ovens, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. For this major dimensions of the body is about like a 38 inches wide and 30 inches deep. Include the legs. They are about like a 55 inches tall. And the body itself, it is about like a 29.5 inches tall. So when we look in the side of the manual boards, right here they give you the power switch, fan switch, they control the fan modes on it, and also have the temperature, the adjuster right here, the indicator lights, and the timings for setting how long you want the cooking on this Betty's machine. And also they do have a fan speed adjusters right here. They give you a 2-speed levels, one's low, one's high speed, and also have a controller for the lights. And when we open the door, we can see we need to open the left side first and pull out for the right. Looking in the inside, we do have 5 racks. We can see the slide on side. We can adjust the height of it. The dimension of this cooking area, it is about like a 21 inches deep and almost like a 29 inches wide. For the access clearance, it is about like a 20 inches height. And when we look in the inner side of the units, we can see they have a big space at the behind of the area for the air circlings. And also we do have the lights on the side of the body. And when we close it and push it a bit hard, and for these handlebars, they are about like a 3.5 inches deep. So let me turn around the units for you. We can see the behind. So right here, we can see they're having the exhaust connection at this part, and also have a motors for this area, 8 and 1.4 inches deep. So we can look in the behinds right here. They have a gas pipe connections and the power connections for 110 powers for this motor to run. On the side of the units, they do have the ETL sanitation stickers equals to the NSF and UL. It's helping you to passing the health department inspections, and all the cost sheets informations and power connection informations on side of the sticker too. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.